One of the most important skills required for investing, saving money, or compounding it to make wealth is habits, which basically we need have to have good habits. Good habits means having thrift. Let us see. Welcome back to Be Rich. Today I wanted to talk about habit formation because it is good small good habits that enable you to create wealth. If we can put away money every day or every week or every month, depending on when you receive payment for your services, either in form of salary or in business, if you can take away a portion of it and put it away and then slowly get it to compound for you, that is how you create wealth. To create wealth, you need to have a lot of habits. The first habit is to start saving, however small it is. The second habit is having the patience to allow it to accumulate to a certain size. And the third habit is to allow it to compound. That is, and the fourth habit is whatever payments you receive from investing, either in forms of dividend or interest, needs to be reinvested. Only if you follow these four habits are you going to make a lot of money. These are difficult habits to start with. So today I wanted to talk about how we can build good habits. The ideas are, in this podcast are basically borrowed from Atomic Habits by James Clear. So I suggest if you find this podcast interesting that you should go out and buy that book and read it. So, first thing, we have to worry about building a process of habits rather than building a goal. The idea is not to become Warren Buffett or Peter Lynch. The idea is to just start the process of habit, taking out money out of your wallet every day and putting it into a piggy bank. That is a habit. So, how do you develop this habit? A friend of mine had a great habit. Anytime he spent some money, he would take an equal amount of money and invest it in stocks. If the money was too small, he would put it away in a piggy bank till it accumulated to a large sum where he could buy a particular stock. When he bought a Maruti car very many years ago, the amount of EMI he paid for the car, the equal amount of money he bought Maruti stocks. This was in the early 2000s, and in 15 years, he had made more money in Maruti car than what he made, than what he spent in buying that Wagon car. Hence, it is always important that you build a habit like that, where you are basically pairing yourself. Whenever I do something to enjoy, then I must save equivalent. For this example, if you are going to a five-star hotel with your family to celebrate and spend some money on it, then save an equivalent money. You can reduce it to a point where if you treat yourself to an ice cream, that equal amount of money has to be saved. This means two things. Once, buy your ice cream carefully and think about it because it's going to cost twice, so you consume less. And whenever you do consume, you spend more money. Similarly, you should pair your negative habit. Well, for a person like me, money is of great interest to me. If I don't work for a particular day, then I tell my wife that I give you 1,000 rupees and that the 1,000 rupees can be spent the way she wants. Now, to make sure that I don't want to give 1,000 rupees, I will make sure that I'll walk every day. So once I walk every day, I don't have to pay the 1,000 rupees to my wife. Similarly, somebody who wants to kick smoking, understands that every time he opens a cigarette and lights it up, he has to deposit 150 rupees to a charity he does not like and he does not support. I'm sure he will think twice about lighting a match. Because when he lights a match and if he's honest in giving 150 rupees, but then the cost is going to be too much for him and it will hurt. Another way of using habits is habit stacking What do I mean by habit stacking? You take a couple of very difficult habits and stack them together. So once you do one, you do two, three, four, and then you do them together. Then what happens is you start to build that habit. Normally, it is said that if you repeat a habit for 30 days, you don't have to worry about it. It becomes part of a muscle memory. Don't start big, start small. If you want to do push ups, start by doing 3 push ups every day. Just retain those 3 push ups. If you start doing 3 push ups every day for a month, then it becomes part of your habit, and then you can increase it. Don't aim for the sky. Try to build in small improvements in efficiency. If you can improve 1% a day, you will definitely become a far better person. If you consistently look to build skills to improve it only 1% a day. If you can make good habit formation a regular habit itself, then you will compound and go very far in life. Investing and creation of wealth is only a byproduct of this habit. So let us look at forming atomic habits, sticking with it, and improving it over a period of time. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button, and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Berich.